Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Have you wondered how to recycle an old Christmas centerpiece swag and make it look brand new? If so, then stay tuned. Today's video is part of an open invite challenge that's being hosted by Jessica of Measure and Mix and Antoinette of Simple Yet Chic. Please be sure to check out their channels as well as the playlist, which will be linked down below when it's available, so that you can see the creativity of all the participants in the challenge as well as the wonderful channels that these two ladies have. So please again be sure to check that out. And for this challenge, they tasked us with doing a holiday centerpiece. And so what I am doing is taking an old swag I've had for maybe like 20 years, and I reuse it actually as the base for a lot of my centerpieces throughout the year, not just the holiday season. This time I decided to revamp it entirely, and I also switched up a little bit what I was going to do initially once I saw some Costco ribbon. So I hope you'll stay tuned to see what I did. And here is the finished centerpiece. Let me know in the comment box down below what you think of it. I am really pleased with how it turned out. I really love this pine cone ribbon that I got at Costco, and I love that I was able to use some of the pine cones that I found on my walk that I prepped in another video as part of my centerpiece. And then just a little bit of embellishment, a couple of clips that I found at Dollar Tree along with some ornament clusters I made out of ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I'd really like to thank Jessica and Antoinette for hosting this open invite. I am having Christmas at my house this year for my family, and I'm really excited to be doing all of this seasonal decorating this far in advance so we can enjoy it for a while. And if you did like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up to let me know you did. If you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And I love seasonal decorating, so I hope you'll consider subscribing. That's it for now. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.